Hey guys, my name is Dan, I'm a veterinarian, and welcome to the channel. Today, does your doggy have blood in their urine? And you were just freaking out about it because that is terrifying. So of course you got it on YouTube, right? Right. So here's the deal, guys. Blood in the urine can mean a handful of different things. And I'm gonna break it down for you for the things that I think are the most common that I see in the veterinary hospital. Of course, always go see your veterinarian. Blood in the urine can be serious and needs to be addressed. So here's the deal, guys. A veterinarian is going to do a couple of things. One, they're definitely going to do a urine sample to see what else is going on in the urine. So they're going to see the blood, of course. If you can see the blood, they're going to see it. But do we have a bladder infection? Do we have crystals? Do we have other things going on in the urine? They will do some blood work to make sure that your doggy is systemically healthy overall and we don't have any bleeding disorders that are causing the dog to bleed into the urine. That can happen. And the next thing they're going to do is a radiograph or x-ray and also an ultrasound to assess the bladder and the bladder wall and the bladder health and make sure nothing's in there, guys, like a stone causing a problem. Once they do all that, guys, they're going to move towards the diagnosis and they're going to have a handful of things that they may tell you it is. Urinary tract infections, or UTIs, are incredibly common, guys. So that needs to be on your list of something that's really likely it could be the problem for especially young dogs and middle-aged dogs. Other things that could be are things like stones. Bladder stones are incredibly common. And these are stones that form in the bladder. And they bounce around and they can cause secondary infection and bleeding too. That's where the veterinarian will take an x-ray and they will also ultrasound the bladder to see if there's any stones in there. Now, could it be something more serious? Could you have a bleeding disorder? Could you have cancer? Could you have trauma? You could have all these other things that could be really serious, especially in dogs that experienced trauma recently, or dogs that have ingested a poison, or dogs that are older. So it really depends on what your dog has been exposed to, how old your doggy is, what kind of breed your doggy is. A number of things can make your dog more predisposed to having certain problems compared to others. The thing is, you can't just sit on it and perseverate and stress over it. You got to go into your veterinarian, get it diagnosed, and work towards a resolution to help your doggy live a happier and healthier life. Always consult your veterinarian for blood in the urine. It can be really serious, or all you may need is an antibiotic for a UTI. So go in, getting it figured out, get it done, guys. As always, my name is Dan. I'm a veterinarian. Hope this was super helpful, and you guys take care. Bye.